Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a short video about a rule called rule of 12 that is basically related to rigor mortis process. I hope you know what rigor mortis is. If not, you can check out the video. For rigor mortis, I have completely explained it. The link is there in the description box. Just for you guys to understand, rigor mortis is basically stiffening of it is basically one of the stage after death in which the body starts to become stiff, starts to become hard, right? So for that there's this rule called rule of 12. Under normal conditions, what happens is that the rigor mortis commences 1 to 2 hours after death. So if we talk about the normal conditions, rigor mortis is going to start after 1 to 2 hours after the death of the person. Then it is going to take about 9 to 12 hours to develop from head to foot. Now the entire sequence of how it develops from head to foot is given by Niston's law. I've made a short video on Niston's law also. You can go check this video out. The entire sequence of how the rigor mortis is going to develop is given in this law. Then so what is happening is after 1 to 2 hours rigor mortis starts. Then it takes 9 to 12 hours to develop completely from head to foot. Then it remains unchanged for the next 12 hours. That means the rigor mortis, the stiffness is going to stay for the next 12 hours, which is also known as the rigor stage. And after that it resolves over the next 12 hours. So in the next 12 hours we're going to see a stage called flaccid stage, in which the body is no more stiff or hard. It starts to become flaccid again like it was in the starting. So it is called rule of 9 because first it takes 12 hours to get developed from head to foot, then it remains unchanged for the next 12 hours, and then it resolves over the next 12 hours. So that is why the name rule of 12 or 12-12-12 rule. So this was all about this video. I hope you found this short video to be useful. If yes, please like this video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.